So what connects all traditional medicines? Ayurveda is the traditional medicine of India and the Indian continent, which was once an island before it crashed into the Himalayas or created the Himalayas. It is a traditional medicine that believes in our own inherent power to become stronger and better without the use of pharmaceutical drugs or other agents. What drove this science into occurring or into its full robust flavor that it created over 5,000 years, and by the way, it's the oldest continuously practiced form of medicine on the planet that humankind knows. What drove this science is the power of observation. And so I welcome each of you who is either a caregiver to someone with autoimmune disease or yourself, if you have autoimmune disease, to use your own body as a unique laboratory and watch your own powers of observation. One of the things that Ayurveda says is that when you are less connected between your mind and your body and your senses, your soul can't move in. And when your mind, body, senses, and soul come together and you are fully aware of how hungry you are, when you need to sleep, going to sleep, when you need to poop, going to the bathroom, and not letting the conventions of modern society get in the way, when those things are aligned, you will recover your own health.